welcome to my channel Sharwani Splendid. Today we're going to Fun World, and in Fun World I'm going to enjoy rides, and I'm going to meet Santa, and I'm going to meet princesses. So let's start our journey. Have you seen behind me? There is some children performing on the stage.
Check out the stage and you're all here. Hello ladies and gentlemen, hello rugby! Yes! The light switch on is not far away, 5:15, the big switch on when our Ukrainian friends will be back on the stage. Alongside Santa. Haven't seen Santa yet, so if anyone sees him, give me a heads up, yeah? I have got to say a big thank you though to AD from Hope for Rugby, who has donated this Santa hat to me. Thank you, AD, because I really needed it. Right then, ladies and gentlemen, are we ready for some more festive singing? Do you know what? They've already done 2 performances on this stage today, and they're so good, we thought we'd bring them back for a 3rd time. Are you up for doing it again, guys? Okay. David, would you like to come over here? Before we get them singing, we just need to have an announcement from our team. Bear with me just a second. David, sorry, what was it you wanted to say?
Just I've heard from the stewards that a young child has been found. So if you're missing a very young child, can you please talk to one of the stewards? Please talk.
Have you seen this fun world? My viewers, this is so beautiful. Look.
Let's do it again. We need some more winners today. All the stock's got to go. We've got new stock coming in.
Over 8 to win on the dance. Give the dance any prize.
We've got the best prizes on the fair.
Any prize, any prize, any prize. You can do it. You can do it. Come on, Pano. All the key players, all the key
Yes,
winners.
folks, you can do it. Yes, folks, you
My viewers, I have showed you as much as I can, but